Welcome to the Federal Aviation Administration's Community Engagement video series. This video provides an overview of air traffic operations at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport. This video will also talk about new air traffic improvements that will enhance safety and traffic flow well into the future. Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport has been serving commercial passengers since 1947. The airport is often referred to by its aviation identifier, CVG. In 2022, the airport offered travelers more than 50 nonstop destinations, served 7.6 million passengers, and was ranked North America's 7th largest cargo airport. Therefore, CVG remains a critical link in the national airspace system. As part of a nationwide program, the FAA is updating arrival and departure procedures to better connect CVG with other airports. This project is part of the FAA's nationwide strategy to modernize the entire national airspace system with satellite-based flight procedures. Why is this important? Modernization helps ensure that every community, including the Cincinnati region that CVG serves, is kept on the forefront of aviation technology to ensure that airports and the overall airspace system have the structure to enable air traffic to move safely and efficiently throughout the country. We are also working to enhance aviation safety, reduce fuel emissions, and reduce delays, all while getting people and packages to their destinations quicker. Satellite-based procedures prepare the airport for the future. Airports are economic drivers for their communities. In 2022, the FAA Control Tower at CVG handled a busy mix of cargo, passenger, and general aviation traffic. The airport handled more than 145,000 operations, providing vital connections to residents and businesses around the Cincinnati region, serving Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. All of this activity provides a positive annual economic impact of at least $6.8 billion to the community. How do planes approach and depart from airports? Generally, aircraft take off and land into the wind, and runways are built to align with wind patterns specific to the area. CVG has 4 runways. 3 are in a north-south configuration, and 1 is in an east-west configuration. Traffic is most often in the south or west flow, which means aircraft take off and land to the south or to the west. However, if the wind changes, the runway use will change too, and aircraft will take off and land in the opposite direction. You may also see changes to runway usage due to weather, traffic volume, and periodic airfield construction. Runway identification is based on the compass heading the aircraft is facing as it lands or takes off. For example, CVG's runways are numbered 18 right, 36 left, 18 center, 36 center, 18 left, 36 right, and 927. That means the first 3 runways face approximately 180 degrees to the south in one direction and 360 degrees to the north in the other direction. Parallel runways are further designated with L for left, R for right, or C for center. The crosswind runway 927 is oriented approximately 270 degrees west in one direction and 90 degrees east in the other. How will the satellite-based procedures improve traffic flow and reduce delays? Older procedures, including ground-based navigational aids, force aircraft to fly on invisible routes in the sky, passing over fixed points. Satellite-based procedures eliminate those ground fixed points, allowing aircraft to fly in more direct routes, streamlining movement and reducing flight times. Satellite navigation is more precise, which means these routes will be more predictable while keeping aircraft safely separated. New arrival procedures will use optimized profile descents, or OPDs. OPDs enable aircraft to descend to the surface without leveling off. Maybe you remember the stop and start of descents of the past. Optimized profile descent enables aircraft to glide to the ground under minimal power, which can reduce aircraft engine noise and emissions. The new arrival procedures allow for near idle power approaches while keeping aircraft higher in the air as long as possible. Similar to arrivals, new departure routes will climb aircraft out of the airport to points nationwide. Planes will fly similar paths to what they do today, exiting or entering the CVG airspace while maintaining the airport's voluntary noise abatement measures. Together, these improvements and others like them create greater efficiencies, which benefits passengers, cargo activity, and private aircraft. As a resident, what will the new procedures mean for you? By creating more precision and predictability in the limited resources of the airspace, travelers can anticipate a better flow of traffic into and out of CVG Airport. Air traffic operations will become even safer through more predictable procedures. Planes will use less fuel, resulting in reduced carbon emissions. The number of aircraft coming into the airport is market-driven. The FAA's mission is to move air traffic safely and efficiently. Updated air traffic procedures will help CVG maintain its position as a critical link in the nationwide system and help meet the demands of the future. Thank you for learning more about how air traffic operates at CVG Airport. Would you like to learn even more? Please visit our community engagement website for updates.